Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to ArjunUnni'sVlog. So guys, we are on the road and we are headed to Lundbreck Falls. It is also known as Mini Niagara Falls because it looks like Niagara Falls but a mini version. So I'm just gonna put in time lapse so you can enjoy the fast journey, and make sure to watch this entire video. So guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the nature, the amazing greenery, the cow standing on the side, having the grass. It's just wonderful nature. The weather is so amazing. It is very sunny. It is 27 degrees Celsius. So wonderful weather and wonderful nature. We drove about 1 hour and we are at like a viewpoint, and we are just gonna stay here for a bit, take some pictures, have some food, have some drinks, and then we will continue the journey. So guys, from the point view, we drove another 1 hour and we are finally here. I'm super excited to check out this amazing Lundbreck Falls. Look at the beauty of this. Oh wow, there's a person kayaking there. So guys, look at the spot to the left of me. That is the waterfalls I have been talking about. It is just so much pressure there. The water is spraying literally on me because it is just so powerful. So guys, look over there. There's a person in the kayak. I just feel like he or she is going to down that stream. Let's see if it is gonna happen. And my brother is recording this for me, so thank you so much for doing that. Wow guys, this moment is so crazy. The person is going down that heavy stream. Wow. Yo guys, I'm just relaxing over here with my beautiful nature in my behind. It's just amazing, right guys? Just walking around looking for good sights, nature, hanging around with the wonderful summer nature. Oh wow, look at this guys, fantastic. We're just walking through this trail. Wow, it's magnificent guys. This beauty cannot be described just by words. You have to come here, feel the winds, get the fresh air, just evolve and enjoy the beauty. So we are dipping our feet into the fresh water, but I will tell you the water is super cold. It is like freezing feeling. It is just so cold, but let's dip our leg. Hope it doesn't become ice. Yo guys, so I'm just gonna share some amazing pictures with you guys of the journey at Lundberck Falls, so I hope you really enjoyed them. Yo guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed this content. If you did, like, comment, share and subscribe. This week post notification shout out goes to Vikram. Thank you so much for your love and support. In the next video, if you want to be shouted out, all you got to do is like this video and comment below when you're done. Thank you so much again for watching this video. Until the next video, peace out.